Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, we are here in Makati. Yeah, it is 7:44. I'm going to roam around, find a place to have a breakfast. Oh, there is a Starbucks over there and a Chowking. Yeah, but I prefer a Jollibee. I actually had lunch at Jollibee yesterday. Yeah, when I was traveling, coming from the province. Yeah, but it was a very hectic hassle also when I was traveling yesterday, and so I did not record everything. Yeah, yesterday actually I left my province at around 9 o'clock, and I arrived in this hotel already 6 o'clock. Yeah, it was very traffic. Yeah, also the public transportation, I realized it's not really the best. Yeah, because from Metro Manila all the way to my province, yeah, all the cars, all the buses, they are all going through the town center. Yeah, there is no expressway that you just need to exit going to a particular town. And it's always busy in every town. Yeah, lots of tricycle, lots of jeepney. Yeah, and actually the average speed coming from Metro Manila to the province is just 60 probably. Yeah, if you compare that traveling in Australia, yeah, like my place is actually the same distance, like from Nelson Bay to Sydney, and in my province it's like the same distance, but the travel time in going to Sydney is just about 2 and 3 hours, but in my province from Metro Manila, travel time is taking 7 to 8 hours, even 9. This walkway up here is designed, yeah, for the office people working in this business center. Yeah, lots of buildings in here. Yeah, instead of the people going to the sidewalk downstairs, they made this for the convenience. Yeah, it's actually all the way to the shopping center over there and to the train station. Yeah, and there this flag of the Philippines because Independence Day celebration is coming soon. Area is already the shopping center area. The like that one, that's the Greenbelt 5. Yeah, there are different sections. There's Greenbelt 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's the 5. Yeah, they are still closed because it's still early, 8:45. I'm trying to look at the price of that Raffles Hotel. Yeah, but it's $1,000 per night. And there is actually a church in the middle of the park. Yeah, down there. Yeah, I always come here, but yeah, I'm shy to get inside the church. Yeah, because I feel like it's only for the rich people during the time. Yeah, and I am very poor. Yeah, but yeah, I still go outside to pray. Oh, that's the Fairmont Makati. Yeah, as I was saying, very expensive. Oh, that salted caramel kind of frappe is actually $250 something. Yeah, very expensive. It's alright. It is now 10 o'clock, so yeah, the shopping mall is open already. Oh, it's actually 280 pesos. Yeah, very expensive. The same size is actually around $6. I mean, yeah, $6 in Australia. In McDonald's, there's lots of Japanese restaurant here, even a Japanese coffee shop. Look how big the trees are in here. Yeah, these are actually comparable to those trees in Australia. Of course, there are more places, other places that has more big trees. And I am now here in the hotel. When you get inside, there is this sink right away. There is no coffee maker. Yeah, and then there is this toilet. It's generally clean. Also, there is this very big mirror. Yeah. This is the shower. There's no cabinet. There's no place to put your clothes, but there is just this hanger. And this is the bed. There is also a mirror here. Yeah. And then there is this. If you push this, there are these things. Yeah, USB outlet. And it's actually more beautiful in the morning to look at this window. Yeah. Oh, there is one guy over there at the window, cleaning the window. Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, just came from outside. Very hot. I'm sweating. And yeah, this is actually the things that I bought from the food shop. This is actually 109. I don't know if this is enough. Yeah, and I actually got this. Oh, sorry. Miss, wala akong plate. Salamat. So this is sinigang, pork sinigang. I also asked for a plate and spoon and fork. 2 pieces of longganisa and 1 piece of rice. Yeah, this is 111 pesos. Yeah, so much cheap compared to those in the restaurant that is costing at least $300 including the drinks. I know, 300 pesos including the drinks. Yeah, just like this morning I had coffee at the Starbucks. It's 1 piece of ensaymada and 1 piece of and one black coffee, which is over $250 pesos. And yeah, I come back to this. It's clean, and most of the people that actually buy from those food shop, they are office worker. This is salty actually. Yeah, this is salty than the regular good taste, but still good. Very nice. Yo, good evening everyone. Yeah, actually just finished watching a video about the best world best breakfast. Yeah, and the Philippines is the winner comparing to different countries. Yeah, long silog. And I'm actually feeling a little hungry. Initially I thought I'm going to Jollibee just downstairs, but yeah, I've seen this video, and so I'm tempted to have a breakfast meal. Yeah, they are actually available 24/7 in some of the restaurant in Metro Manila. But it's already 9:30, and yeah, today is my last day here in the Philippines. Yeah, my flight will be tomorrow morning. Yeah, I don't know if I should go for if I should go to eat now. If I go to eat now, I'll probably be back before 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. I already set my alarm at 4 o'clock. Mahal na ba?